Thinking of starting an air conditioning business in Singapore? With Singapore's tropical climate and year-round demand for cooling, air conditioning services remain an essential and resilient business sector. An air conditioning business may offer installation, maintenance, repair, or servicing for residential, commercial, and industrial clients. The first step is to register your company with ACRA and define the appropriate mechanical and engineering service activities. Next, regulatory and industry compliance is important. Air conditioning businesses must meet safety standards, environmental requirements, and industry guidelines, including proper handling of refrigerants and workplace safety regulations. Hiring trained technicians and maintaining service quality are critical for long-term success. Operational planning plays a key role. This includes tools and equipment procurement, vehicle planning, manpower management, pricing strategy, and service contracts. Strong financial planning helps manage operating costs, tax compliance, and business scalability. At 3E Accounting Singapore, we support engineering and service-based businesses with company incorporation, regulatory guidance, tax planning, and accounting services, so you can build a compliant and sustainable air conditioning business.